How to create a shortcut on Snapchat. Okay guys, today in this video we will be talking about how you can create a shortcut on your Snapchat account. So yeah guys, let's get started. So right now you can see I'm on my Snapchat account. What I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna go on this chat menu here. You can see I'm in the chat menu. From here what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna click on these three dots. I have this option, or I'll click on this plus icon. You can see here on there I have a plus icon on the top. What I'm going to do is just click on here, and you can see right now I'm in the menu from where I can create a shortcut. So what I'm going to do next is just I'm going to choose any emoji or whatever I want to. I will choose this emoji. It's like, okay, I'm going to choose this tick emoji here. What I'm going to do is just add some people here. So I added this guy here, and I'm just going to create a shortcut. And from here you can see there's a tick bar there shown on the top. So what I'm going to do is just click on here, and you can see it is just showing me those people that I have added in this tick bar. You can see right there. So yeah guys, this is how you can create a shortcut on your Snapchat account. So yeah guys, I hope this answered your question, and if it did answer your question, you know what to do. You just have to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and press that bell icon, so you don't miss any video from our channel, and you get updated on all the tips and tricks that we provide you for your social media platform. So yeah guys, that's it for today. I'll meet you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.